Are you ready to discover an incredible opportunity to earn $650 or more every 25 minutes with PayPal free cash? In this video, I'm going to introduce a game-changing method that will allow you to make money online in no time. Let's explore this process feature and go through it step by step, especially for those who may be new to start with this. The first requirement is to set up a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, don't worry, the setup process is simple. Go to PayPal official website and click on register and follow its instructions to provide details like email address and email password is required after PayPal account. Activation next step is to choose your preferred method of receiving payment. If paying using a bank account is available for PayPal, it ensures faster payments for those who are not familiar with PayPal. The widely used online payment platform that facilitates secure and convenient transactions from anywhere around the world for free and is available. Now we come to the exciting part of making money through affiliate marketing on affplus.com. This platform allows you to promote various offers and earn commissions without any hassle in meaning product or submissions, focusing on confirming offers provided by companies. One of these offers is a $1,000 PayPal gift card. To access this opportunity, go to this site and search for PayPal 1000s. This shows several offers that reward a $1,000 PayPal gift card. In return, sending email is paid. These companies are eager to grow their email list, and in return they offer thousands of PayPal gifts to subscribers. Your role is simple. You get paid for every email collected now. Come on in the process of becoming an affiliate partner. Once you recognize the offer, click on it on the redirected to the Alive Evo affiliate site. Here you have to create an account, which is a hassle. The free process of this platform offers various options where we offer weekly, bi-weekly and monthly flexibility based on your preference. Moreover, they assign a dedicated affiliate manager to help you promote these offers effectively. Information like name, date of birth, and company name if available. If you don't have a company, you can simply enter your social media addresses like Facebook or Instagram or any other platform you use in the next step. Activities, your contact and billing details in Olivo to send you the payments you have earned. Once you have provided all the detail, you will receive your unique money link. You don't need extensive experiences to get started with our guide, ways to make money through affiliate marketing. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. Now let me introduce two powerful strategies to promote your money. The first method link is to the top. The vast user base on Facebook. Navigate to the platform and enter Earn Online in the search bar. Then go to the group section. This will give you access to several groups where people gather to explore different avenues of online income generation, especially target groups with significant followers such as those with over 100,000 followers or members. Once you are in the group of your choice, avoid the common mistake of removing your link or posting general inquiries about monetization. Instead, identify interesting posts, preferably in the group of interesting posts. That's gotten a lot of attention. The approach of successful posts, like one where a user shares a screenshot of a landing page that includes a $1,000 PayPal gift card, a message that highlights the lack of investment, adding viewing or registration fees that encourage people to be interested. For you to contact them, the goal of this tactic is to stimulate curiosity and engagement, which shows that you have messaged them, sent to them from interested parties with minimal effort. Invest in creating compelling posts and engaging with your audience. You can see your content spread originally. If just 3 of these posts get traction, you can potentially reach 1,000 people in this group to click on your link and submit their email for a chance to win an 11,000 PayPal gift card and thus receive a $2 payment per email. While this approach may not represent the ultimate solution, it will undoubtedly serves as an effective starting point to protect your initial 1,000 clicks and build a very effective movement. This method involves using a wide range of YouTube, the large video search platform worldwide with approximately 2.7 million users. It lies in capturing attention by capturing relevant content, a task that can be easily achieved on iPhone and Android devices. This content can be summarized in a short video that highlights the opportunity that is a significant strategy observed among successful content creators. Title your videos as monetization in your PayPal account for free, a format that resonates with the growing trend of short videos on YouTube. Let's analyze the process in the video. Creators show different websites where users can earn money from for PayPal by submitting their email address, similar to this process to guide viewer to get more audience leads the interested people directly to the platform that they can enter their email and earn a $2 commission as a result. Now to replicate this success, create a screen capture on your phone similar to the video shown that focus on the relevant website. Note how to earn free PayPal money for 24 years in the comment section of your affiliate link video, which provides a direct route for potential participants to click and send their emails, reach thousands of viewers and click on your link, thereby increasing your chances of collecting 1,000, 2,000, also 3,000 participants. They are eager to discover an opportunity. This is a dynamic strategy that leverages the power of video content and the broad appeal of PayPal free money.